G'day everyone, it's Chris O from Down Under, Queensland, Gold Coast, Australia. Here I talked a little bit about it before. I'm doing the shower and I never split my tiles. So this is carried on. This bathroom floor has carried on from out in the lounge and the pool room and the front entrance and all that jazz. Now if I carried on my lines, it wouldn't fall properly to the waist and I'd be splitting my tiles, which I never ever do. Never. I'm a tiler I've been a professional tiler for 45 years. This is what you do. I've done my third coat of waterproof, as you can see. That acts as my slurry. If you look at any other videos of mine, you'll always see that I do 3 coats of waterproof and my shower floors. 1 is for the slurry. The other 2 coats is because it needs it. Okay, no. You'll see in a minute, I always wet bed my tiles down. I never screed it and then wait for it to dry. That's kid stuff. I shouldn't have done that. This is how you do it professionally. I've pre-cut my tiles, ready to place in. That is about the height I want at my waist. The only time I screed or have my fall to the corner, from corner to the corner of the floor waist, is when I do it on a 45. Right, that's the fall I want. See that? That's the fall I want. So then now, all I do is level it around. I might just use this level. Give your finger a lick, clean the glass a bit. It's pretty good for level. One thing you never do either is do your walls first and then your shower, because when you're going on the 45 it's a little bit tricky to cut them. I wouldn't like to have my walls done and then cut my floor, and it's yeah, a little bit hard. It's better to roughly cut your floor tiles and then you go down. You go down to it and you're covering your rough cutting. Otherwise you have to be too accurate. It's not bad, not bad. Like I said, the only time I go from corner to corner is when I'm laying my tiles on a 45. That's the only time. You'll see in a minute what I'm achieving. Fill that hole. Ushka.